Where should I really even start? I mean, where should I really even start?
Do the thing.
I can't.
Stop thinking about it and just do it.
I don't have it totally figured out yet.
Learn on the go.
I don't want to mess it up.
But messing up is how we learn. Do the thing.
My dear, sweet child, that's what I do. It's what I live for.
All right, sweetie, you ready to get some new notebooks and protractors and slacks?
I want blue jeans.
You're getting slacks!
Is there no way we can get rid of him?
Not without cause, Michael.
I have cause. It is because I hate him.
Where are you?
I'm sorry, I just hallucinated. What?
These are dark times, John. Not that dark.